It's no accident that 40% of all the billionaires are engineers.
What you taught me to do is to engineer risk into my life.
Correct.
So now every time I'm faced with a decision, or sometimes even when I'm not faced with a decision, I just think, how can I engineer more risk in this situation?
And, not sure how I explained, when you start a business from zero, your first 50,000 in revenue is geometric. And from 0 to 500 is geometric. Million in revenue, because we buy revenue. It may have taken them 25 years to get $1 million in revenue. And you're buying it in a week, a month,
right.
6 months.
I want to talk about how busy you are, because you've been going around speaking with, you've been talking directly to the Navy SEALs, the Naval Academy, places like Hyperloop, big universities, and you're in more demand than ever, from a younger audience than ever.
51% of my demographics comes from 15 to 34.